Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before going into the video, you should see some pictures. Will you do me a favor? Take the pledge to yourself. From this minute on, I will not waste any food. I hope you adhere to this. According to study, about one-third of the food produced in the world for human consumption, approximately 1.3 billion tons, gets lost or wasted. Food is a fundamental right that should be available for all, but it still isn't. So, since global poverty is still being tackled, we should consciously make an effort to save food from being wasted. Here are some simple but effective tips that you can follow to avoid food wastage. When you cook too much, try to eat the leftovers. There is nothing wrong with eating leftover food as long as it has not gone bad. You can also call friends over to your house to finish leftover food. Why waste food when you can share it? Practice FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out. This essentially means that you should move older products to the front of the fridge so that you know which food items needs to be consumed first. Be a smart shopper. Be practical and realistic while shopping for groceries. Also, make a list of food items that you actually need to buy before going to shop. Avoid reckless shopping. Don't over-serve food. If you have guests coming over, give them small serving of food, and using small plates can help with that, okay? Store food in the right places. Now, you can't keep a vegetable outside for more than a week and still expect it to be in good condition. All food items need to be stored in the right temperature so that they last longer. To understand where certain fruits and vegetables should be kept, always check the expiry date before making a purchase. Do you really want to have stale food? No, right? So check the expiry date of every item you purchase in order to avoid wastage. Make sure the product you buy have at least 3 to 6 months of shelf life. Share the same dish if you are going out with friends. Instead of ordering two separate dishes, order a meal that you guys can share. You can always order more later if you want. Make a meal out of leftover food at least once a week. Use leftover vegetables in your fridge to make a meal out of it. Try to be as creative as you can. Combine different combinations to make something unique. You might just want to take up cooking as a hobby. Stop snacking in between meals. How will you finish all your food if you keep snacking on something after every hour? Try to avoid snacking in between meals as much as you can so that you eat your meals properly without wasting it. Don't go for shopping on an empty stomach. This might sound bizarre, but if you go shopping on an empty stomach, you are likely to purchase more food items than you actually need. Don't let your mind trick you into buying things that you don't need.